So what's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to download and install on your Minecraft account or game um, a texture pack that is pretty X-ray. First of all, open Google browser, yes. Click the new tab button. Then what you need to do is click over here, and then what we need to do is don't click the first, click only download X-ray Ultimate, not that is CurseForge. Click that link of that, click it. When you click it, it will show that X-ray Ultimate Resource Pack. You should scroll and see that video, right? Don't click it, you don't need it. Go more. Then it will show you advertisement. To download it, you should click on every version. I'm on 1.8, as you can see over here. I'm on 1.8. Click it if you are on older version or you don't versions not here. Just click one of them. I will click 1.8 because I want. Click save. Then is ready. I'm going to click over here, and some people don't understand why, but I'm going to my Minecraft and do the exact same thing, but I click options, resource pack, down pack, because why not? Click open resource pack folder, or if you're on 1.17 or 1.16, you should drag over here and it's done. But I'm on PvP version, and yes, drag this over here, drag it, and it should be like so. Don't want that. You should close that because you don't want. And click all good. For you is going to be done. Click options, then click on again resource pack, and here it is. This is that because it's update of that, and yeah, subscribe, and maybe I will do PvP. I don't know if you like and subscribe, guys. Let's hit maybe 30 subscribers and 100 like in the week. I'll be super happy if that happened, and maybe I should make a PvP video. I'm best on the PvP.